unboxing review. We got 2 boxes. Let's see what they gave me. We got oatmeal. This is oatmeal. We got crackers. It's good. We got pasta. We got beans. We got rice. We got green beans. We got chili with beans, which is good. We got applesauce, good. We got tuna fish. We got jelly packet, chopped tomatoes. And we got some granola bars. And some more applesauce. More jellies. What do we got? Oatmeal, pasta, crackers, chili with beans, tomato sauce, tuna fish, pink beans, Metro Valley, more applesauce, more rice, more jelly, and more chili with beans. That's good. Well, thanks for watching Russ Says, Life of Russ Says What. Have a good day. Welcome to the life of Russ as what. So we've been rolling in the grass the last couple of days, and as you can tell, it's starting to actually come in. It's starting to actually come in slowly but surely. Like it's starting to like really come up. Right over here and around. See, like, grass is up. So all the grass you're seeing is all new grass coming up. Shouldn't really be walking on here, but this is all gonna be starting to come up. It's taking a long time. There's a lot of grass seed here. A lot of new grass seeds starting to come up. Eventually it'll start coming up, but it's gonna take a long time. There's a lot of grass seeds. A lot of grass. Making some progress. It's gonna still take a little bit longer. But you can see the grass starting to come up. It's like certain areas. It's gonna take a little bit longer. It takes like between 7 to 30 days for the grass to come up. Go a little bit more over here. Yes, slowly but surely. Some over here. And eventually you'll get new grass like this over here. This is like some new grass over here going on. And some over here. And some over here. Some new grass growing over here. Eventually we'll get all the grass like bye-bye. Bye-bye. Eventually. Yeah, so a couple of days with the ground dry, and you'll start seeing more grass come up. So, like all this grass is starting to come up over here. It's gonna be looking really good. Once this grass starts coming up, it's gonna be looking really good. You're gonna see a lot of progress in like the next week or so. Thanks for watching The Life of Russ Says What on YouTube. Like, share, and subscribe.